guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joita, and if you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. If you are interested in this category, then consider subscribing. And now let's talk about today's video. You know guys, whenever I'm confused at what to wear, how to style it up and what makeup should I try, I always go for black, because even if you try to make it wrong, you can't, because black is the safest option. And also I have a huge crush on black. Anyways, today I am going to create a look which is formal as well as casual. It means that you can easily wear it to your office or to your work, and also if you want, you can wear it to the party with your friends, because of course again it is the black. So without wasting much time, let's just jump to the video. My skin is already moisturized and now is the primer time, and for that I'll be using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'll take a little amount onto my fingertips and then we'll warm it up a little and we'll apply it all over my face. You can see that it's already blurred and the pores are minimized, and also it's smoothened up my face. Now let the primer sit on your face at least for 20 to 30 seconds and then move on to your foundation. Today for the foundation, I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish Air Light Oil Free Foundation. It says that it gives you a demi matte finish. You can wear it up to 24 hours. The coverage is medium and the texture is air light, and it also has the smooth out and the oil controlling power. So let's try it. If I forget to mention my shade, then I am in 107 Fresh Beige. Take a little on the back of my hand. I'll start with the small amount. I'm using my makeup sponge. Definitely the foundation is very light. If you have dry skin, don't try out this foundation because this is quite matte. I'm really not feeling that I'm wearing even any foundation. This is the one layer and with a very little amount. I can't say you that it's full coverage, but yeah, the coverage is quite good. Now I'll be using my Sigma Kabuki brush and will be layering it up for a little bit more coverage. So this is it after the second layer, and I would say that this is a medium coverage because you can still see the acne scars are peeping through, but I am literally liking the air light texture and it's quite matte. I would suggest that dry skin owners, it's better not to try. Now to set this, I'll be using my L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique All-in-One Matte Transforming Compact. I'm in the shade N6 and I'll be using my Focallure powder brush and will be using it. I really like this brush because it just blends your compact just like this. This brush is really a pro. And to prime it, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. I'll blend this with my fingertips. Now I'll set it with the same compact. Now it's the eye makeup time, which is always my favorite, and today I'll be doing that classic smoky eye, and it will be a very easy one. And for that I'll be using my Maybelline Collossal Kajal in the shade black. Now I'll try to use it through my upper lash line and will also be using roughly onto my lids. Only remember, don't cross the crease line. Now I'll be start blending with my intense brush from Vega, and I'll just blend it through the crease area. Now I'll be using this pink palette from Infallible and be using this shade right here to build it up into my crease and to blend it smoothly. Now I'll be taking a fluffy blending brush and will be using this shade right here to give it a good transition shade. Now I'll be lining my lower waterline as well as the upper waterline. Now I'll be using a small flat brush and will be using this shade right here to smoke it up a little bit. And the eyeshadow is done, and now is the time to clean the edges with the help of the concealer. For that I'll be using the same concealer. Now is the time to blend it out, and for that I'll be using my makeup sponge. Now I'll be setting my under eyes and the highlighted areas with the same compact. Now I'll be adding some work to my face with the help of Makeup Revolution London Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit and the shade C04. I'll be using this shade right here. Now is the time for some blush, and for that I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Vivid Big Blusher in the shade Hard Day. We'll be using a fluffy blush brush and will be using on the ample of my cheeks. I really love this color because this is suitable for the Indian skin tone, and as well as it gives you a subtle glow. Now I'll be doing my eyebrows, and for that I'll be using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Eye Pencil, and I'm in the shade Ash Brown. I'll be doing it offline and will be right back. My brows are done, and now is the time for some highlighter, and for that I'll be using my Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Radiant Brick, and will be using my Focalier highlighter brush. I'll run through brush from top to bottom just like this. We'll tap the excess. And will highlight only the highest point of my cheeks or the face. Now I'll be using my mascara, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Collossal Volume Express Mascara. Time to flaunt my lips, and for that I'll be using a combination of Lakme 925 Wet Lace Matte Mousse Lip in Chic color. It is in the shade Blush Velvet, and Boucher Paris Rogue Hyper Fix lipstick. It is in the shade Born Perpetual. I'll do my hair offline and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I have done my hair. You can see that I have done that classic loose curls and I have paired it with the classic smoky eye and the black outfit. And I'm absolutely sure about the fact that my PR Hema will love this look because she's a minimalist. She loves smoky eyes and she's of course my BFF. So I know her choice, and I know that all the women out there who loves black, who loves that smoky eye, that Hollywood loose curls romantic look, they will definitely love this look. So please let me know guys if you love this or not. Completing the look, somehow I felt that it turned to be quite romantic. Are you feeling the same guys? Please do let me know. I hope that I have justified your taste for makeup. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, whoever you know. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my side. Until next time, love you all and bye bye.